Hey, what up everybody? I got new headlights retrofitted. I'm gonna put in the description where I got it, and I'm gonna show you how I put it on and all that stuff. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so this is the new headlight, got it retrofitted. This is the old one. It's hard to do with one hand. Alright, so this is what it looks like. We did the turbine shroud and made it red. With the LED strip. Took out the reflector, the orange reflector, like how the old one is. Took that out. This is called the Demon Eyes. So now I'm just gonna switch over the bulbs from my old headlight to my new headlight. The only thing I'm not keeping is my H4 HID bulb. I now have to run the H1 bulbs. I already have it for the low beam. And these are the HIDs I'm running. Xantec. These were like, I think it was like 28 bucks for these HID kit. Comes with left and the right side, yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna wire the LED strip. I'm gonna wire that. They connect to your parking lights, which is this guy right here in the back. And these are the wires. So the red goes to the red wire, and the white goes to the red wire. They connect together. So put the red and white together, and it goes into the red, and then the yellow wire goes either on a brown or blue wire, because on the, depending which side of the headlight you're doing, I think on the left headlight, the left side headlight uses the brown wire, and then on the right headlight it uses the blue wire. See, this is blue. So you connect the yellow wire to the blue wire, and black is black. Alright, I'm just gonna splice into those wires. Alright, so everything's kind of almost wired. HID is almost in. Okay, this plug, the headlight plug from the car, when you connect it to the ballast, if you're getting this HID kit, it won't fit right. Let me show you. Sorry. There's a little metal tab right there, metal tab that's preventing the plug from going in. What I do is I just grind that little tab down right there, and it slides right in. Okay, see? Okay, it goes right in. After I just grinded it down, I'm gonna put like tape just to make sure this thing doesn't pop out. The plug doesn't pop out. Okay. So now back to the. So now this is the Demon Eyes wiring. So this is the one connected to the Demon Eyes. This wire you don't have to worry about. This doesn't connect to anything. This wire you plug into the switch box, which is this box, switch box. There's different channels on this box. So like there's 1, 2, 3. So just make sure you put on the same channel as you did on the left side. So on the left side, I use number. What channel am I using? Number 2. Using this number 2 channel. See, it's split. There's 2 connections. That's going to the left, and then I'm gonna put this on the right. Okay, so now that's plugged in. The last thing to connect is from the switch box. So I run on black wires. Basically, just directed straight to the battery. Okay. Also forgot to mention, this is from the Demon Eyes. There's this plug also. This is for another high beam if you wanted it. If you want to do another high beam, just tap into the wires. Feels like I already have a high beam right here. I guess if you want to double, just connect it, tap into the wires. If you wanted it, I'm not using it.
Is that what it look like I'm doing? Is that what it look like?
Are you helping your daddy? Justin. Justin. Look in the camera.
Finish installing. I run the wires up here. HID, I run the ballast right there. And you see the blue light? It's right there. That's where I put the switch box controller for the eyes, the Demon Eyes. And then this is our power wire running from it. And I just grounded the negative side to the ground.